Ah, le poulet en cocotte. I'm delighted once again to take you back to the early part of the last century, to the first-class home kitchens of France, for a wonderful chicken pot roast. Absolutely exquisite, with basic procedures, yet so elegant and flavourful on the plate. The garnish for poulet en cocotte vary a great deal according to the seasons and the means. Today's standard version uses bacon, or cured pork belly, tiny onions and mushrooms. This poulet en cocotte is often referred to as a poulet grand-mère, grandmother, but also known as bonne femme, good wife, or ménagère, housewife, family chicken, all named after ladies you'll have noticed, but today executed by a keen gentleman. Mon Dieu, whatever next. So now, a very nice free-range chicken. These French label rouge chickens are extremely good. Lightly cured pork belly or unsmoked slab bacon. Mushrooms, tiny onions, which, if not available, don't hesitate to use shallots or just a sliced onion, brown veal or chicken stock, and dry white wine. Potatoes to be fried separately, parsley for decoration, and a bouquet of thyme and bay. The chicken is seasoned inside and out and trussed so that it maintains a good, nice, compact shape in the pot. Now we melt butter and oil and lightly colour the bacon pieces along with the peeled onions. Take them out and put them aside. The chicken is then browned in the same fat, with the breast and the thighs towards the bottom of the pan. Don't turn it onto its back until it's golden all over these parts. It'll take a good 15 minutes over a moderate heat for the breast and the thighs to colour, and make sure the bird is well coloured on one side of the breast before turning it onto the other side. Now sitting on its back, return the onions and the pork to the pan. A generous splash of wine, the bouquet of herbs, and the stock. Cover and simmer gently for 45 to 50 minutes. The large diced potatoes are tossed over a gentle heat in a generous amount of butter and oil. When they're almost done and starting to turn golden, pour off most of the fat, add fresh butter, and finish sautéing over a strong heat until nicely browned and crispy, only seasoning with salt at the very last minute. The mushrooms are added to the pot with just 15 minutes to go. The chicken onto a serving dish to rest, while the sauce is slightly thickened with a teaspoon or so of flour. Form a smooth slurry with a small amount of the sauce and stir back into the pot. Allow this to thicken the sauce as it simmers for a minute. Strain out the garnish and lay it around the chicken. The sauce is served from a sauce boat. This is the magnificent, true flavour of early 20th century France. So to all the ladies and housekeepers of old, les bonnes femmes, les ménagères, les grand-mères, merci mesdames. Enough said, besides wishing you bon appétit et large soif.